handlebars are massive. It's like Zeddy driving something like a bus.
It's like a Harley, isn't it? Right, good luck.
Now I ain't got to pull the clutch in.
No. Oh God, I hope he comes back in one piece. Here comes Eddie Kidd on the twist and go Aprilia Habana 125. He's flat out, I can hear the engine purring along. He's down. Go on boy, go on boy. Whoa, he's there. Warp speed, warp factor 9. Excellent. I think he's enjoying that in a strange sort of way. Cracking little scoop, absolutely brilliant. And he's just on the fly pass. And he's coming up again. He's right down behind the fairing. He's giving it big beams. And there he goes again. He's having too much fun on that. I'm getting worried. Here he comes for his final run-in. Yeah, I think it's big smiles. I think it's big smiles. Let's see what the verdict is. What do you reckon?
It's so much fun.
This is light as a bag of crisps, isn't it?
It's just ridiculous. It's so much fun. It goes well, doesn't it?
It just does 55 and that's it. It doesn't go above it, or it's mad.
Well, I kept wanting to pull the clutch in.
Yeah, yeah.
I kept going for the back brake with my foot. That was awesome.
Wicked. No, I'm glad it's sorted. Right. Hey, one happy customer.